To put Mercari on vacation, start by signing in to your account through the Mercari app or website, entering your username and password. Next, navigate to the account settings, usually found by tapping on your name or profile icon. Within the account settings, locate the selling options or settings that apply to your listings. Look for the option to temporarily disable or put your listings on vacation, often labeled as vacation mode or a similar term. Select this option to activate it, and confirm your decision if prompted. You may also have the option to specify a return date, which can be chosen if available. Once you've made your selections, review the changes and confirm to activate vacation mode. This will temporarily deactivate your listings until you return. By following these steps, you can easily put your Mercari account on vacation.